Hello, welcome to the tutorial on ODOT Safety Cost Calculator. This VBA spreadsheet tool is developed based on Excel 2000 or later version. So you must Microsoft Excel installed before you use the calculator. A 32-byte version of Excel is recommended, and you must enable the micro content in the option Cost Center setting, micro setting, at least set it to the second line. Once you get everything ready and open the spreadsheet, a graphic user interface will automatically pop out with 3 modules and 7 buttons indicating the flow of this calculator from left to right and up to bottom. This video uses an example project to show the whole process of using this calculator. First, you need to specify the project detail. Name, analysis period, amended from 30 to 50. That beginning year, input the discount rate, specify the project length, confirm the growth rate of traffic volume, average longitudinal rate, maximum horizontal curve degree, number of names. Choose there is presence of shooter or medium, and choose the number of alternatives. This calculator can at most compare 6 types of alternatives. Confirm and continue. In the alternative details window, there are some pre-stored maintenance treatment types. You can modify the information of each type, add one type, or delete the types that you don't need. The calculator can store at most 10 types of treatment types. Use confirm and select the treatment type and service year for each alternative. Wait a second, the software would automatically add up all the years to just exceed the analysis year. You must finish all alternatives and go to the last alternative, confirm and continue. Then you need to specify the intercept and declaration rate for each treatment type you choose to compare. And then update the safety performance function coefficient. Here we use the default values and update the crash cost and the probability of each crash level. By default, unit crash cost is weighted from KAVO level and can also change the values for an MAIS level classification. After that, the calculator will automatically predict the friction, crash numbers, and crash costs of each alternative. And you can click the total cost button to go to another interface. The total cost comparison needs the users to import agency cost and user cost from real cost calculation results. Real cost is a software developed by Federal Highway Administration. You can follow the user manual of real cost, specify the project level inputs and alternative details corresponding to the details you specified in the ODOT calculator, and get the deterministic results. And then go to worksheet. By saving a copy and change the type to Excel workbook, the agency costs and user costs are calculated and ready to be imported to the calculator. Click Import, choose the file you just saved, open, and the total cost comparison is obtained. You can click the View Cost Data to shift between the details and the figures. You can also review the crash estimates and go back to friction prediction, crash number estimates, and crash cost. That's all. Thanks.